Good morning, everyone. It is currently 9:56 a.m. I just got out of my 9 a.m. and it's Thursday, March 1st. It's the first day of March. Woohoo! I decided to do a little week in my life kind of thing, but like not like a whole week. It's just Thursday through Saturday since I'm actually doing some fun things Thursday through Saturday. And I also want to side note, I've been breaking out a lot on my face, so just kind of ignore that. I'm trying a new product now just to see if it will help my breakouts go away. So I just started that like yesterday, so hopefully it will make it better. I feel like I've already seen a difference. So I thought I would show you guys a little outfit of the day to show, because it's actually pretty nice outside. And when I say nice, it's like 32 degrees outside. But mind you, I live in Iowa, where for the past month, 2 months now, it's been like really cold outside. So that's why my outfit's super spring weathery, and I'll show you it in now. So it's a super casual outfit. I'm wearing my hat that says Field of Dreams because I got it from the Field of Dreams in Dyersville, Iowa. I'm wearing my Northern Iowa white shirt that I love wearing all the time, my necklace that I always wear, my ring that I always wear. I'm wearing this jacket from Dillard's, the brand Copper Key. I'm wearing my jeans from Aeropostale, and then of course my Birks because it is heckin' nice outside. I have 2 more classes today. My lesson got canceled again because my professor's sick, but then I'm going to the gym after my 2 o'clock class as I normally do on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then I have a orchestra concert tonight. It's like a little preview concert for our trip for spring break, which I'm very excited because we leave in less than a week now. And then after the concert, I'm going to visit my sister, mostly to steal her packing cubes, but to see her and visit her in her classroom. So very excited. So that's today. Tomorrow I'm visiting her classroom and then having lunch with her and then coming back here so I can go to my orchestra class at 3. And then on Saturday, I'm going to my old high school's show choir competition. They are performing at Cedar Rapids, Jefferson, so I'm going to visit them because I haven't seen them yet and I really want to, and I have a good group of friends that are still in it, so I wanted to visit them and like cheer them on. And then after that I'm going home, and then I'm gonna pack for my trip and coming up, and that's all you're gonna see. But basically this whole week I'm going to be practicing packing for my trip. This is the first time I'm going to South America in general, because I don't know if I told you, but I'm going to Brazil and Panama, so that's really exciting. It's my first time I'm actually going to a summer like location over break. I've always been to super cold locations or locations that have basically the same weather as Iowa over break, so that's gonna be interesting. I'm very excited for this coming week and just this whole exciting time. I really need a break. I'm very excited for it. I'm at a stoplight, so it is 100 okay, it's not like 110% okay, but it's okay that I'm doing this. I'm gonna put you guys over here and I'm paying attention to the road. It is currently 9:13 p.m. I know it's super late, but I had my orchestra concert at 7:30. We had an intermission. But then before I went to my concert, we had a rehearsal, and before my rehearsal, I was getting everything ready to go and like packing everything so I could go visit my sister. And I could not, for the life of me, find my car key at all. Like, I was checking everywhere in my room. So I went to my rehearsal, my concert, freaking out because I can't find my car key. And obviously I need that to go home this weekend so I can pack and everything. So I was freaking out a lot. And so when I come back from my concert, I'm like running to my room so I can find my key, and I'm like, it's okay if I can't find my key tonight. That's like, okay, I don't need to visit my sister, but I need it to go home this weekend. And I searched all over my room. I even looked in the freezer. Seriously, I seriously looked in the stupid freezer. And then I looked in the back of my closet, like tore through my laundry bin. I'm just gonna stop. Tore through my laundry bin and like going through all of my shoes, and all of a sudden I'm like, I hear clinking, and I turn over my brown boot that I have in the back of my closet. It somehow ended up in my brown boot. I have no idea how it did, but it did. And now I'm on my way, and I'll catch up with you guys when I make it over to my sister's house. Okay. sister. You're welcome, sis. Alright, a little update time. It is currently 11:29. My sister's walking out right now, so I have to hang up the phone really quickly, but I was visiting my sister in her classroom and helping grade spelling tests and visiting her kids, so that's really fun. Pulling over because we're gonna go to McDonald's for lunch. Heck yes! She's coming in. Very excited. Super cool seeing her in her element in her classroom. I think the kids love her, and she's good. She's a teacher, if you didn't know, but she's a great teacher, and it's fun seeing her in her element. Okay, bye. Drove back from Clear Lake and had to go to orchestra right away. Like, I got to orchestra with 2 minutes to spare, which was really good. Now I'm walking over to see Hair because our college's theater department is putting it on. I'm sitting in the orchestra seat, so I heard it's interactive, so that will be interesting. I'm very excited to see it. My grand big in my sorority family is in it, and so is one of the girls on my floor, so I'm excited to see her in it. And I'm excited to see the production in general. I heard it's really good, and thought I'd just update you guys a little bit.
One of two show choirs, grades 10 through 12, 28 years of existence. Their show is based on Once Upon a Time. The band is directed by CJK. Nick Kwame, Mike Weaver. The directors are Haley Gibbons and Nicole McBride. Ladies and gentlemen, Correlation!